I'll guide you through the process of building a fully autonomous crypto AI agent, from launching a no-code viral persona to coding a professional trading bot using the new Eliza OS framework. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, you need to choose your path. There are two ways to do this: the no-code launchpad for social agents and the developer framework for custom on-chain utility. Method 1. The no-code viral agent. If you want an agent that has its own token and posts to X, head to virtuals.io. Tap Create Agent and fill out the character JSON to define its personality, voice, and mission. Once you submit, your agent is minted as an ERC6551 NFT, which acts as its own unique wallet address. It instantly launches on a bonding curve, allowing the community to buy its token while the agent autonomously builds its own human-like brand on social media. Method 2. The developer framework, Eliza OS. For a custom agent that can trade, swap, and manage DAOs, we use Eliza OS. Open your terminal and run the command npx Eliza OS create and then agent name. This spins up a TypeScript environment where you can plug in the Solana Agent Kit or the Goat SDK, giving your agent access to over 30 blockchains and 200 plus DeFi protocols like Jupiter or Uniswap. Next, give your agent hands. Coinbase released Agentic Wallets. Use the CLI command npx awall to provision a secure, non-custodial wallet that only your agent can control. The best part? These wallets use the X402 protocol, allowing your agent to pay for its own API keys and server costs autonomously. Once live, your agent will monitor the markets, engage with your community, and even rebalance its own portfolio at 3 a.m. while you're asleep. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.